Welcome to this tutorial on using AWS S3 with Java. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of how to use AWS S3 in your Java applications. If you're new to Java or to working with cloud storage, don't worry, we'll be starting from the very beginning. First, we need to set up our AWS credentials. We'll assume that you've already signed up for an AWS account and that you've created an IAM user with S3 access. To get started, you can create a new AWS configuration file in your home directory by running the following command. In this file, you'll need to add your AWS access key and secret access key like so. Now that we've set up our AWS credentials, let's move on to actually using S3 in our Java code. First, we need to set up the AWS SDK for Java. To do that, we'll add the following dependency to our Maven project. Once we've added the SDK to our project, we can start using the AWS Java SDK to interact with S3. Let's start by creating an S3 client that we can use to perform S3 operations. Now that we have a client, we can start interacting with S3. Let's say we want to upload a file to S3. First, we need to create a new S3 bucket to upload our file to. We can do that using the following code. Once we've created our bucket, and that's it, you've successfully uploaded a file to S3 using Java. Of course, there are many more things you can do with S3 using the AWS SDK for Java. You can list objects in a bucket, download files, set access control policies, and much more. But hopefully, this tutorial has given you a good starting point for working with S3 in your Java applications. Thanks for watching and happy coding.